Thanks for buying Sketch Story. I can assure you this is one of the best buys you have done and one of the most unique ones as well. Let me tell you how to start with editing your Sketch Story templates. So once you have entered the license key, you would have landed on this page. And this page looks like this, in which you cannot work. This page can only, you can see these pages, but you cannot edit these pages, right? Now, how to start editing? You can see here there is view only option. So what you have to do is you have to be first logged in on your Canva account, any free Canva account. So right now you can see I'm logged in my free Canva account, and even then I'm seeing view only. For that you have to go on file, and now when you go on a file you have to click on make a copy. So click on make a copy and you will see that once you make this as a copy, then you can start editing it. And now it will start in the edit mode. Let it come. Because there are many templates, it might take 1 or 2 seconds depending on your internet speed. So this is it. This is your sketch story. And now the second page is the introduction page. You will see this video which I'm making on this space, which tells you exactly the same how to get started with sketch story. And now you can go and click on grid view. Click on grid view and you will be able to see all the templates, more than 100 templates. Let it load. They are all loading and you can see how they are made. We'll take 1 minute to see if it loads nicely. It will load nicely for sure. And here you will see that there are many templates already made: cross-functional team, business value delivery, pestle analysis, out-of-the-box solution, project assessment. My suggestion to you is spend some 10 to 15 minutes in opening the templates and understanding that what are the availabilities. So you know that these are the availability, these are the resources with you. And in future, if you need any presentation to be made, you can use these. Again, I'm going back to the grid view. And by the way, you will be able to use this template along with everything which is possible in Canva. I'll be showing you right now. So imagine that I have to make a presentation on, let's say, problem solution. It could be anything. Maybe I'm giving a marketing presentation in which there is a problem and there is a solution. It could be a finance presentation. There is a problem, there is a solution. Maybe you are working in an event company and there might be a solution, problem and a solution. Now, let's see what Google shows us. If I go to Google and enter problem solution slides, and let's see what are the typical problem and solution slides. Now here you can see your typical problem solution slides are like these boxes. Similarly, these problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, these are all visual organizers. Now this is where sketch story is a game changer, because I don't want to make a slide like this, but I want to make a story slide, which means my slide should have a story. So what I'll do is I will just go here and search of problem solution template, and here I can see there is a problem solution template. So let me pick this up. So I have picked this, and now what I'll do is this is editable. Now here you can see that every element of this is editable. I can move the boat, I can copy and make 2 boats, and just anything, right? Before things get confusing, or you might think that, hey, this is Canva, you wanted to develop it in PowerPoint, you can always copy this, click on share. You can directly present from here. So I always make presentations on Canva, for example, because Canva gives me a lot more opportunities than PowerPoint. But if there is any restrictions in your company, then you can click on download and then download it as PPT. And here goes your PPT. Then it will be all done in PPT, right? So again, let's say there is a problem and a solution. Now what I'll do is I have chosen this template, and you can see here this template has a boat, which is the solution to the problem. What is the problem? Waves are the problem. The sharks are the problem. There can be more. Let's say you have more problems. You can copy the sharks, right? Not only this, let's say you want to introduce some more elements in this, then it's also easy to draw on this. So I will click on the draw option. On the left hand side, you can see there's a draw option, and on draw option, I will click on the pen tool, change the color here to black, set the nib size. Let's say I always choose in Canva, you can choose the nib size from 7 to 8 or something. So I'm choosing it by 7. And let's say there is support, and if for this boat there should be a metaphor which is related to this story. So my metaphor could be, let's say, air, which is here, right? So they are also supporting my boat. This becomes your drawing. If you don't like your drawing, or let's say you are not too confident about drawing, which means you have not attended my masterclass. If you have attended my masterclass, you will be able to draw. If not, don't worry, go on the elements, and here you can search air, blow, doodle. And now you can include any of the free air blows which you see here. So for example, I can easily be happy with this. So here I can select these ones, and if I like it, I can group them. So this becomes my icon already, my hand drawn icon. Or if I don't like it, I can put it here and now shorten it, right? So this becomes one of my supports as well. What I'll do is I'll just copy and write all the elements. So whatever is the support element, you have to type here. I always love to choose lazy dog. So lazy dog goes here. This is my support, and these are all my problems. Depending on the number of problems you have, you can write problems here, and this is your ultimate goal or reward which you want to achieve. So this could be your objective or your reward. As I told you, you can always delete these if you are presenting it for your business. If you have already bought this, you can delete this one. So this, just click on delete and it will be deleted. Anything else, if you want to, let's say there are some elements which you don't want, of course you can just copy and delete it. But before doing all these deletion, it is suggested that you make a copy of this. So go on the template and click on three dots and then click copy page. And when you copy page, then start doing the deletion and all, so that your original template is not deleted, right? So here I can delete this and pretty much this is how simple is this are these sketch stories. And now I can also put a heading here. So this becomes my heading, and this is in black color, and I will be again using lazy dog. And you can put this, here, put an effect background, and background can be yellow as well. Depending on your color scheme, you can choose your colors as well. So this becomes your story, right? Now you can also animate in this. How you can animate, depending on the template, you can animate. So for example, if this is my template and I want to animate it, then what I'll do is I will make a copy of this, as I told you. So duplicate page, and now let's say I want to move this guy from top to down and then jump here to the goal. So what I'll do is I'll pick this up and then go on. Okay, this was already animated, I guess. So what I'll do is I will delete the path here, and let me show you how it works. So you click here and then click on animate. If you don't find animate button here, there should be a drop down, or somewhere here, just click it and you will find the animate button, and then click on create animation. These are all automatic ones. So if you just click them, they will automatically show according to the template you are choosing, but this is the custom animation. So I'm clicking this, and very simple, you just have to click this and now move him as you want. So see the blue line which is being made, I am just moving it as I want him to move, and you will see what happens. It moves. There were also animations set on these stones beforehand. Let's say I have to make this boat move, little jiggle or something, then I will click on it, and now you can click on wiggle, and wiggle, you will see that the boat starts wiggling a little bit. That's how you can make this completely like an animation. And that's why I love Canva presentations, because Canva allows me to do animations. I am presenting this and present here, and you see that the whole scene is animated as well. Your complete problem solution or project planning slide is animated, right? So this is what Canva is. I hope that you have all joined the WhatsApp group as well. If you have not joined the WhatsApp group, please join it with VisualThinkingSchool.eu/WA. That's the WhatsApp group. That's the WhatsApp group. Let me mention it here. So let's say I'm copying this. The WhatsApp group is VisualThinkingSchool.eu/WA. That's the WhatsApp group on which I'll be there to solve your doubts and problems whenever you are facing. If in case you are in need of a typical kind of a presentation, then I'm also open to make a template for you, right? So that's the WhatsApp group for you. That's it from for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll be taking a lot of videos and explaining these templates, but this was just an introduction one. Have a great time with Sketch Story. Make some templates, make it your own, customize them and share it in the group. I will personally be able to see your templates then. Yeah. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.